dogs. Kitty, kill it. Kill it. I said, where is it? Get it, kitty. Where'd it go? You whiskey? You whiskey? No, okay, bye. I'm doing the vlog now. Hey guys, it's me. My name is Moonshine. I like moonshine. You don't like vlogging? You do? Okay. Well, I don't know why I'm vlogging. Oh my god. Well, did I even do an intro? Why? Well, oh. What am I doing with my life? Hey, guys, it's me. And I like doing vlogs. That's right. Zoom. Hi, I'm crazy. Don't trust him. Ah. So what do I do? Well, I guess I could just go running through the field like a maniac. Okay, like the maniac that I am. They call me Gabriel the Maniac. I don't know if you can freaking see, but... Oh, God! Oh, look at me go. Oh. Oh. Y'all can't even... Oh. What's that? Oh, what's that? Doing because what to do? Why are y'all looking at the moon and not me? Supposed to be looking at the moon. Why are you looking at that moon? That moon. I'm not gonna show y'all it now. I have to. So. You don't like my vlogs? Fine. I might as well quit. I quitted. Well, that's all I'm going to be doing for now. If y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. Kiss that like button. And say bye to Kitty. Hey guys, I'm vlogging now, and I'll stop this vlog. Bye-bye. Let's stop.